Every believer can function in prophetic ministry, but God calls some specifically to rise up into a higher level of what we call the prophetic office. Now, there are signs that you've been called to this higher level, and you will learn in this book what those signs are so that you can identify whether you qualify. You will learn why you've experienced many difficulties in life, which is part of the preparation for this call. You'll also learn that God has given you, when you reach this level, a very specific level of authority and how to use that authority. You will realize that the training to take you to this level is quite intensive, and God has a specific way of doing it. You will understand what the death process is and understand some of the difficulties that you have been facing. And then you will find out exactly what you should do once you reach this level of the prophetic. It's a lot more than simply giving prophetic words to people, and it will bring you into a much closer relationship with the Lord Jesus himself, the greater level of intimacy, and you're going to function at a very high level of authority, and God will use you to fulfill his will and to make things happen in the earth. This book will teach you all of those. If God has called you to this level, then this will equip you to move upwards and forwards until you finally reach prophetic office.